Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is Mr. Rowe. We're looking at Intermediate Algebra Part B. This is Lesson 15, and we're focusing on number 7. Number 7 says that you're going to graph the function negative x squared, and you're going to find the domain, range, and intercepts. So here's a similar example. We're going to graph x squared plus 1, find the domain, the range, and intercepts. So this is going to be similar to the absolute value. Just a little few differences. So let's go to our graphing calculator. If you don't have a graphing calculator, again, it's a good idea to have one. We've given you several options to have one. If you don't have one and you can't get one, please let me know in a teacher message and I'll see what we can do to help you. All right, so here is our function. This is x squared plus 1. So we're going to go x squared plus 1. I'm going to hit my graph. You see what I have is a nice little parabola right there. Difference between the absolute value and quadratics. Absolute values have that straight line because it's a linear equation that's been changed by direction. And this is a parabola, so it has a nice smooth curve. So again, find some points to graph. I'm going to hit second graph to access the table. And I've got some negatives and positives that I can plot. So I'm going to plot these points. So I'm going to start off with, get the pen right. I'm going to start off with negative 3, 10. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 right there. I've got negative 2, 5. Negative 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have negative 1, 2. So negative 1, 1, 2. And I have 0, 1. Not 0, 0, Mr. Rowe, not 0, 1. So 0, 1 is right there. And again, a parabola has a line of symmetry right down the middle of the parabola. If you look at the graph, 0, 2 or 0, 1 right there, that is the vertex of the parabola. So it's going to have a mirror point all the way across that line of symmetry, which happens to be the y-axis. So if we look at those points, I've got a mirror point here, here, and here. So there's my parabola. Now I just need to draw it. Just do your best to make that curve. And there's your graph. Now what's the domain and range? Well, again, the domain is the all possible x values. Well, since the graph is going to continue forever in this direction and this direction, the domain will be all real numbers. What's the range? The range is all possible y values. Well, there's no y values down here. Every y value is from here up. So again, what's this point? That point is 0, 1. So that means the range is all values for y greater than or equal to 1. Now the intercepts is where the graph crosses the x-axis or the y-axis. So it just says intercept, so you got to find the x-intercepts and the y-intercepts. It doesn't cross the x-intercept, so there's no x-intercepts. There is a y-intercept right there at the vertex, so the only intercept is 0, 1. So that's what I need to see in number 7. I hope this helps you get it done. If you're still struggling with it, please set up an appointment for a help session. Otherwise, let me know in a teacher